Hello guys, welcome to Cybercrush YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video we will solve the day 3 challenge of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, without wasting the time, let's dive into the computer screen and start today's video. So guys, here I have done the complete playlist of Advent of Cyber 2025. So guys, you can save the playlist, you can share with your friends, and you can get all the updates regarding Advent of Cyber 2025 from this playlist only. Guys, now you can see I'm on my Try Me dashboard, and you can move to AOC, and we will scroll down, and here you can see we have the room 3 Splunk basic, and we can tap here to open this room. So guys, this is loading. So you can see this is the Splunk basic room, and here we have the video 1, and here we have the video 2, that is from the industrial experts. So and now here we have the introduction, and the story begins from here. So guys, in day 3 the story is like the TVFC company. So they were preparing for Christmas, but their SOC dashboard has found some ransom messages. So guys, in this room our task is to use the Splunk, and we will work as the SOC analyst of TVFC. Guys, we can scroll down and here we can start our machine, and to access the Splunks, so we can click to this link, and guys it's loading, so it will take some time. So we can give a check here, and here you can see our IP address. Guys, now you can see the Splunk dashboard is loading, and yes, here we have the Splunk dashboard as per the instruction in the task 2. So first of all, in the Splunk instance, the data has been pre-ingested for us to investigate the incident. On the Splunk interface, click on the search and reporting on the left panel as shown. So we will click on the search reporting, and guys, yes, this is loading. So here we have the search icon, here we have the history and all other tabs. So we can move here, and as per the instructions we can check, we can copy and give a paste here, and we'll give a 24 to all times, and we will give a search. So guys, what you can see, we have 18,744 events. Like if you check here also, we will see in details. So we have two selected fields and interesting fields also here. We have the source type here, so we can click on the source type, and you can see like we were from the web traffic, and other is from firewall logs. Okay, we got two values. We can check for the web traffic, so we will copy here and we'll give a paste, and see like from the web traffic we got 17,172 events, and the timing also you can see from here. So now let's copy that, and we will paste this, and you can see we have the dates for the attack, and also visualize from here. You can see from Friday October 10, and that is most on Sunday October 12. So this must be the highest one. So guys, now if we will check, I will copy this. So by using this we can see the maximum number, and is the descending order. Here you can see on 12/10/2025, like we got the most number of counts. So yes, so we can copy this from here, and we can simply scroll down, and so yes, this is correct. So now let's scroll up, and let's check for the user agents. So we will move to the event tab, and here you can check we have the user agents. So but this is some suspicious, that is automated SQL injections. Here we have the question, what is the count of Havi's user agent logs? So here you can see that is 993. So we can give 993 and yes, we can give a check. So yes, this is correct. So now let's move forward and check the client IP. That is, we're trying to find the attacker's IP. So here we can see the client IP, and I think this must be the client IP with the maximum most number of counts. Let's copy this, and here it will paste and give a check. So guys, yes, this is the attacker's IP. We're correct. So now let's move down and check for the paths. So which path, like URLs, they try to access. So we can move here and on paths. So guys, here you can see we are they tried some PHP request and also some etc password. So let's check here with the next question, how many path travels attempt to access. So this we can see this is 658. So we will type 658 and we can give a check. So guys, yes, this is correct. So now we have to examine the firewall log to see whether there is a C2C server IP connection or not. Let's check for the instructions. Let's filter out these values. So let's filter. We know that the attacker must be using some tools. So we will check for the user agents or the most common platforms or web browsers. So we will check for that. And yes, we also got from client IP, we can see we got the same IP also. Let's filter out these things and we can check for the client IP. So we'll give a search. So here also you can see we also filter out the same client IP from here only. We'll copy this and this is the client IP. So we will save this in the for the future use. So now let's do the footprinting. Let's copy this and we'll give a paste. And from here we can copy the client IP and we can change the client IP here. So we will give a search. You can see they've moved to this numbers of paths, user agent. You can see they've used Gull and zgrab. So this tools we get, and you can see also the status from here. So now let's type the some common path traversal. So let's look for some path traversal. So we'll give a paste and search. So let's wait. So sorry, we have to change the IP. So yes, now we can see here we have some data. Okay, let's move forward for the more instructions. Guys, now we can use some SQL injection payload. So we'll copy this from here and here we can paste and we will change the client IP and we'll give a search. So guys, here you can see we have the PHP commands, PHP request, and here you can see here are the status code. So let's filter some, they have tried to download the large files or not. So let's check that whether they have tried to find some large files or not. So we will give a copy the client IP and paste. So and we'll give a search. So yes guys, here you can see they have tried to access to those things and the user agent, you can see they have used this type of tools. So now let's check from ransomware tagging or remote control access whether they have used this or not. So let's check, copy this and we can paste here. So we will give a search. So now you can check, yes, they have also tried for the remote control access. You can see from here. Now we can pivot to firewall logs, and we can see this is the compromised server IP. So we'll copy from here and we can paste here and we will give a search. So here you can see this many C2 communication has been done, and these all are the destination ports and all details we got from here. So let's go down and we can do some check how many datas have been transferred. So we can copy from here and we'll paste, and we can check from here like how many bytes of data has been transferred from the source to the destination. So we'll complete this process, and here you can check we have these numbers of data, and we will paste here that thing and you can check. So guys, yes, this is correct. Guys, now we have the conclusion here, that is the identity found, intrusion vector, recurrence, exploitation payload, and C2 confirmation. So guys, after solving this room, so here you can see we have the external or recommendation room. So yes, this is, as we know, this is a premium room, so you can check this. You did it, Splunk basics, so we will give a continue. And guys, let's see. Yes, I've got also one ticket, so continue. And now we can move to Wareville. And guys, let here you can see we have completed Splunk basic. So guys, for more videos and for more updates regarding Advent of Cyber 2025, subscribe to CyberCrust YouTube channel.